Alright guys, welcome back. So this video will feature haircut fails as well as wins. Let's jump right into this video. So it starts off with a blonde and she is cutting her hair. Now her hair is already short, so she's got to be like doing either a really short pixie or a shaven hairstyle because her hair is already short. Oh yeah. Wow, that was so gorgeous. Some girls can really rock that shave look, like I'm telling you. All right, so next, see someone, she's dyeing her hair pink in some areas. Looks like silver or gray in the back. Oh my gosh, I love the way those split two-tone color bangs look. That is so gorgeous. Wow. That was hot. Alright, so next we see someone with a slime green hair color dye. Now see, I don't know why she would dye her hair this color. The mint green is pretty. But slime green, like, what are you thinking? I don't know about this one. Looks like she's adding in yellow. I like her makeup though. The blush and the lipstick, that's really pretty. Like the nude color tone to it. So far, I am not feeling this hair color. Nope, 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 nope. I don't know. I don't dislike it, but I don't love it, if that makes sense. That was pretty. That was unexpected. A lot of work, I'm sure. Okay, so next up, someone is dyeing their hair black. Okay. Ooh, I love her makeup. We need a makeup tutorial. Forget the hair. The haircut is cute, but we need a makeup look. Okay, next up, somebody is cutting their hair with some scissors. They are very teeny, tiny scissors that I would not recommend for a human to be using. Okay, next up, somebody is dyeing their hair. She's got, what is she doing? Two-tone color, and she's cutting it. Oh my gosh, those results were bomb. That color looked so gorgeous. So freaking pretty. Like a lot of these clips in this video are just, the hair color combinations are so pretty. Oh wow, she shaved her hair. All her hair is gone. She had beautiful blonde long hair too. Alright, so next we see someone, what is she doing? She coloring her hair. Okay, so she's getting, well, she's at a salon, so you know this isn't really a fail, because how can you fail going to the salon? Well, that's debatable. Sometimes the stylist just does a bad job, but that came out cute. Alright, now she is, oh, she's shaving her hair off too. Man, everybody is shaving their hair. How many girls are shaving their hair? I swear that's like the hottest hair trend. 2021, 2020, girls shaving their hair. Like, it is just, the numbers are just sky high. She has such pretty curly hair too. It's only hair though, it'll grow back. No biggie. Actually looks pretty cute though. Alright, so she's about to cut all her hair off. Is she gonna do a shave look too? Oh my goodness. She's just casually sitting there cutting her hair, like she's just like, just chilling, just cutting her hair like it's nothing. She has to be shaving her hair because it is really short. Like, what can you do with that? Yep, she's shaving it. Wow. I told y'all, everybody is shaving their hair. This is crazy. Wow. She had such pretty blonde hair too. Oh well. It's just hair, right? Wow. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Let me know which hair failed or when, well, you know what, pretty much all these were wins, let's be honest. But let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next one.